Hi everyone, today we're talking about how to start a successful customer service consultant business. If you're passionate about helping organizations improve their customer experience, this guide is for you. Step 1. Develop your expertise. The first step to starting a successful customer service consultant business is to develop your expertise. This means gaining a deep understanding of the customer service industry and building a strong skill set in areas such as customer service strategy, process improvement, and technology. Step 2. Identify your target market. Next, it's important to identify the organizations and industries that you want to serve as a customer service consultant. This will help you to focus your marketing and outreach efforts and build a strong reputation in a specific area. Step 3. Build your network. Networking is key to success in any consulting business. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with others in the customer service industry to build relationships and gain exposure for your business. Step 4. Create a business plan. Once you have developed your expertise and identified your target market, it's time to create a business plan. This should include a clear mission statement, target market, services offered, marketing plan, and financial projections. Step 5. Register your business. You'll need to register your business and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. This may vary depending on your location, so be sure to research the requirements in your area. Step 6. Establish your brand. Your brand is what sets you apart from other customer service consultants. Develop a unique brand identity and create a website, business cards, and other marketing materials that reflect this. Step 7. Market your services. Once you have established your brand, it's time to start marketing your services. This may include reaching out to potential clients, writing articles and blog posts, and using social media to build your network and gain exposure. Step 8. Deliver exceptional customer service. Finally, it's essential to deliver exceptional customer service to your clients. This means being responsive, professional, and delivering results that meet or exceed their expectations. Step 9. Continuously improve. Continuously improving your skills and processes is key to success in the customer service consulting business. Seek feedback from clients, attend industry events and training, and stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices in the industry. In conclusion, starting a successful customer service consultant business requires a combination of expertise, networking, and exceptional customer service. By following these steps and continuously improving your skills and processes, you can build a successful business and make a positive impact on the organizations and customers you serve.